Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Joy. Today I have something important which I will be sharing with you, and this thing is going to be how to make avocado oil. This is very simple, and this avocado oil has a lot of benefit in your skin when using it. And if you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is the best opportunity for you to do so that you'll get more video from me. And if you are new in this channel, you are most welcome. Turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to see. And also subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, with your loved ones, and with your family. Please don't go away, stay tuned, and let's jump into it. So guys, the first ingredient will be avocado. Avocado is a great moisturizer for dry skin. Avocado oil also helps erase dark circles due to its vitamins and vital acid. Avocado helps to delay wrinkles and smooth out fine lines and prevent premature aging. Avocado oil helps to treat eczema. You can use avocado oil to remove your makeup. You can also use avocado oil to prevent hair loss and also promote hair growth. So there's a lot of benefit of avocado when using it all the time. So the second ingredient will be my coconut oil, and the third ingredient will be my sweet almond oil. So these are the ingredients I will use. So guys, I have finished peeling my avocado. So I'm using 3 pieces of avocado. So this is how it comes out. So let's go into the oil. So guys, I have put my avocado in my pot, which I use a fork to match it together. So I will add my sweet almond oil. This is my sweet almond oil. So I'm just gonna add like half cup of sweet almond oil. You can use olive oil or any type of oil you feel like using. So I'm just using my sweet almond oil. So I will add my coconut oil. So this is my coconut oil. I'm just gonna add like, this is 1 spoon. So I'm gonna, I had like 3 spoons of coconut oil. So I'll just cook it in a low heat. So you just cook it, you leave it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll come back to it. So guys, this is how it's cooking, but as you can see, everything has become melted. So I use my fork to break it so that it become into pieces. But if you can't do it before you cook it, if you know you can't have that patience to break it with your fork, you can blend it. You can blend it before you cook it, but by blending it, you will not add water. You just had to blend the avocado itself. But it's a little bit stressful if you blend it without water. So that is why I choose to do mine like this. So I just use my fork to press it to match it. So this is how it becomes. As you can see, the oil has changed to green color. So I will still leave it to cook for another 10 minutes. So guys, as you can see, the oil is floating. So my avocado oil is ready. So I'm just going to turn off the lights and I will let it cool down. So I will strain it off. So guys, this is the avocado oil, which is cool. So I'm gonna strain filter it now. So I need my filter. I'm just gonna filter it. So this. So pressing it out. I'll press the oil out. So I keep on doing this. So guys, that is my avocado oil. As you can see, it came out very grainy. So if you can make this way, this oil is really good for your skin. It will moisturize your skin. You use this oil on your hair. But alright guys, that is the end of avocado oil. So that is the simple way to make avocado oil. It's not hard. You can make it at home in your own time. So if you know this video was helpful to you, why not subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, with your family, with your loved one. Turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to see the new video I'm gonna upload. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. God bless you. Love you. Bye.